Welcome back to Auto Legends, your go-to channel for the most iconic and luxurious vehicles on the planet. Today we have something truly special for you. A first look at the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Rolls-Royce, the symbol of ultimate automotive luxury, has entered the motorhome world, and it's as extraordinary as you'd imagine. Let's start with the exterior, where Rolls-Royce has done something that blends opulence with road presence like never before. This isn't your average RV. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome takes design cues from the Phantom and Cullinan, but elevates them to a grander scale. The signature Pantheon grille dominates the front fascia, flanked by ultra-slim laser headlights that carry the brand's hallmark elegance. The Spirit of Ecstasy proudly leads the way, now illuminated and motorized, rising in a ceremonial motion whenever the vehicle starts. The body is constructed with a blend of aerospace-grade aluminum and carbon fiber panels, ensuring rigidity while keeping the weight manageable for its class. The sides are sculpted with a gentle flow that hides the sheer size of this luxurious land yacht. Rolls-Royce has seamlessly integrated slide-outs into the side profile, nearly invisible when retracted but transforming the interior space when deployed. The windows are massive, all electrochromatic, allowing privacy at the touch of a button while offering panoramic views. The two-tone paint options are of course bespoke, created from over 44,000 available shades or a custom match if none suit your taste. Rolling on 26-inch forged alloy wheels, wrapped in self-healing tires, this motorhome glides with a silent authority. Even the undercarriage design is carefully considered, with aerodynamic skirting and active suspension lowering at highway speeds for improved efficiency and stability. Rear-mounted cameras, LiDAR sensors, and radar form a 360-degree safety system, all subtly embedded into the bodywork. Because Rolls-Royce doesn't do clunky tech, it does invisible innovation. Now let's talk about the interior, but just a glimpse, because this deserves its own deep dive. Step inside through coach-style automatic doors and you're greeted with handcrafted excellence at every angle. From hand-stitched leather seats to real wood inlays sourced from sustainably managed forests, it's everything you'd expect from Rolls-Royce, multiplied by 10. The front cabin feels like a luxury yacht helm station, with dual 24-inch OLED displays, a starlight roof that extends into the living space, and ambient lighting designed to mimic the golden hour of a Tuscan sunset. The living quarters boast a full-sized master bedroom, a spa-style bathroom with heated marble floors, and a compact but ultra-luxe kitchen fitted with Miele appliances and crystal glass cabinetry. Every surface, every stitch, and every switch exudes tailored perfection. It's more boutique hotel suite than RV. But don't be fooled by the comfort. This motorhome is more than just a pretty face. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, lies a hybrid electric powertrain. Rolls-Royce has equipped it with a 6.75-litre V12 engine paired with twin electric motors and a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The system delivers over 700 horsepower and 850 lb-ft of torque, which is astonishing for a vehicle of this size. It glides from 0 to 60 mph in just under 6 seconds, smooth, silent, and utterly composed. The all-wheel drive system is computer-controlled with predictive terrain sensing. Whether you're cruising along the Pacific Coast Highway or pulling into a snow-covered retreat in the Alps, this motorhome adapts like a luxury SUV. The air suspension delivers the magic carpet ride Rolls-Royce is famous for, and with regenerative braking, it's even more efficient than you'd expect for its class. In short, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just a new chapter, it's a whole new genre. It redefines what motorhome travel can be, fusing mobility with the highest expression of luxury craftsmanship and innovation. That's it for today's review on Auto Legends. If you're as amazed by this automotive masterpiece as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you next time, where the legends keep rolling.